Bismillah, I want to talk about the motivation component, right? So we have talked a lot about it in the training, but I specifically want to talk to you about something very important. So what typically happens is that a person may not be motivated to pray, or may find it hard to pray because they don't know what's going on and just find it, hard. So we try to have a goal of at least one prayer a day and one prayer a week in the masjid. That's a relatively straightforward goal, and it should be easy for us to aim for. It may be hard in the beginning. If it is, then one of the things that we can always do, I highly recommend looking into it. First of all, take a look at this if you don't have that habit. There are many statements that Allah has mentioned to us via His Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that can help us, have a better mindset, more tranquility, happiness, reducing anxiety, worries, and grief, and so on and so forth. So, they are compiled into what's known as the morning and evening afkar, remembrances. And, so here's the message that you can share with the new Muslim. This is on our, obviously, new Muslim success training document. And this is almost like a 20 minutes video. Um, if you guys know of any app that has the video and the translation in English, but doesn't have ads, that would be great. As you can see, um, so yeah, so this is something that they can watch almost 24 minutes. If that's too much, maybe they can watch in 5 minutes intervals. So, two sessions of 10 minutes every day or 5 minutes every day. And then they can go through the whole thing, and that would, help them know about who is Allah, the power of Allah, the mercy, the blessings, and so on and so forth. So have a read. Okay. So see, the ads even cover the translation sometimes. So have a read, go through this once with them, and have a habit, to watch it every day and whatnot, twice a day and whatnot. So I think that could be really helpful. And yeah, so this is something that's linked here. If you find the app, let us know, inshallah. And then, we have other ideas like, going to Quran and different series that people can utilize and whatnot. We've talked about it earlier. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. And I think this could be a good habit to help them maintain, inshallah. Okay. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum.